Hello, my name is Mitashu Todia. The roll number is 7 and the topic is sequential pattern mining. So basically what is sequential pattern mining? It is a data mining technique which is used to discover or the finding the frequently occurring sequences or a pattern in a particular data set. Like in a website there is a weblogs that it is also in a pattern. In a human there is a DNA which is also in a pattern. So the basic goal of the sequential pattern mining is to find a pattern or a particular sequence within a data set. So let's talk about how it's work. So there is basically a five process: data representation, support count, mining frequent patterns, sequential pattern growth, pattern evaluation, and the post processing. So first one, data representation, in which the data is represented in a pictorial manner in a sequence of a pattern. The second one is the support count. In the support count, basically identify how many times a pattern or a sequence is repeated within a data set. The third one is the mining pattern frequency patterns. So in the third one, it is a combination of both the two. So in which after the first and second process, the third one is done in which the mining of the pattern is done after the support count. The fourth one is the sequential pattern growth, in which the sequence of pattern growth is been identified, analyzes, and then it is taken into consideration. The fifth one is the pattern evaluation, in which all the pre-processing and the post-processing tasks are done and the pattern is fully evaluated so that it can be used in the ML. The last part is the application part, where I didn't mention it in here. Basically, it after pattern evaluation, we will get the dataset which is in a sequential pattern. So we can use it directly in it ML model also. Let's talk about its advantages. Predictive analysis. The prediction model can be applicable to the sequential pattern mining, like a prediction apps like websites we can make with the help of the predictive analytics, like rainfall model, gold price prediction, stock price prediction, laptop price prediction, etc, etc. The second is the personalized and the recommendation system. For the e-commerce, we can integrate it with the e-commerce. In the recommendation, if a user buys a pair of shoes, we can show in the recommendation system the similar type of shoes or of different brands so that the sale can be increased. Process optimization. Sure, the process can be optimized with the help of the sequential pattern, because the pattern is occurring in a sequence manner. So definitely the process can be optimized with the help of this algorithm. Market based analysis. So basically, if a user is in a e-commerce, the basket can be analyzed with the help of the sequential pattern mining. Like we can keep track of the what he she buys within a month or within a year. As per that, we can show him her ad about the same product or of a different brands. Let's talk about its cons. The disadvantages is basically it identifies the complexity of a web app can be increased to a high extent. Uh, as it is in the sequential pattern manner, the data will be noisy. That is, there is no uncertainty in a data, parameter sensitivity, and the overfitting. The data may not be regular; it may be irregular. So the sequential pattern mining cannot be applicable to those type of data set. So let's talk about its application. Integration with e-commerce, the first application. Telecommunication, supply chain management. Also, we can integrate it with the ERP so that we can track of the student progress, its behavior, etc. CGP, internship, etc. Social network, integrate with the social media. Retail and e-commerce, integrate with the e-commerce. Healthcare, like we can also use in the healthcare, finance, gym, fitness, etc. So that's it. Thank you for hearing me. Thank you.